9th class math NCERT question number 4, exercise number 7.1. Question number 4, it is given L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel line P and Q. There are two lines L and M, and another parallel line P and Q intersect the line L and M. So the triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA. ABC congruent to triangle CDA. This triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA. How we will prove this? The line segment formed by the two pair of parallel line are equal. The line segment formed by two parallel line are equal. It means line segment AB is equal to line segment CD. AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to AD, and line AC are common in both the triangle. This triangle and this triangle. This line AC is common in both the triangles. So we can say that triangle ABC and triangle CDA are congruent by the congruency theorem as side. So now I am going to prove it. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle CDA. Triangle ABC and triangle CDA. AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD and BC. AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to DA. BC is equal to DA, and AC is equal to CA. AC is equal to CA. AC is equal to CA. Common side. Common sides. So here we can say the triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA by S congruency theorem. Okay. Question number 5. Line L is the bisector of an angle A. This line is the bisector of angle A. This angle, whole angle. Bisector of angle A, it means the measurement of this angle is equal to measurement of this angle. And B is any point on line L. B is any point on line L. BP and BQ are perpendicular from B to the arms of angle A. BP and BQ are the perpendiculars from the point B to the arms of angle A. Arms of angle A, this is A, first arm, and this is the second arm of the angle A. BP and BQ are the perpendiculars. So this angle, value of this angle is 90 degree. Perpendicular, it means the 90 degree, and this angle is also 90 degree. So that triangle APB, this triangle APB and triangle AQB are congruent. This triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB. We have to prove this one. First point. In this question, from triangle APB and triangle AQB, B. In this triangle, this angle is equal to this angle. Why it is the equal? Because line L is the angle bisector of angle A. So this angle is equal to this angle, and this side is common. AB is common in both the triangle, and this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. So we can say that both the triangle are congruent by which congruency theorem? One angle, two angle, and one side. So we can say by AAS congruency theorem. By AAS congruency theorem, both the triangle are congruent. Here angle BAP is equal to BAQ. BAP is equal to angle BAQ. First angle. Why it is equal? Because line L is the angle bisector of angle A. Next point, AB. AB is equal to AB. AB is equal to AB. Common side. Next one, angle PBA. Angle BPA. BPA is equal to angle BQP. Angle BQP. This is equal to 90 degree. So triangle, we can say that triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB. Congruent to triangle AQB by which congruency theorem? By AAS congruency theorem. Both the triangle are congruent because one angle of this triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle. This 90 degree, another triangle, this is also 90 degree, and this is the common side. So both the triangle are congruent by the AAS congruency theorem. Why it is AAS congruency theorem? Because two angle and one common side. Two angle and one common side of the first triangle is equal to the two angle of another triangle, and one common side is equal. So it is the congruent. Now second point, question number 2. In question number 2, BP is equal to BQ. BP is equal to BQ. This is the congruent part of the corresponding part of the congruent triangle. This is corresponding part of the congruent triangle. BP is equal to BQ. So both the sides are the equal. Why it is equal? Because it is the corresponding part of the congruent triangle. Corresponding part, it means this side is equal to this side. So simply we can say that BP is equal to BQ. BP is equal to BQ by CPCT. CPCT stands for corresponding part of congruent triangle. CPCT stands for corresponding part of congruent triangle. So simply it is equal, BP is equal to BQ by the CPCT. Next, question number 6. In figure 7.21, this figure, AC is equal to AE. AC is equal to AE, and AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD as indicated in the figure, and angle BAD. This angle is equal to angle EAC. This angle, measurement of this angle is equal to measurement of this angle. measurement of this angle up to this only is equal to measurement of this angle only. This angle is not included in both the angle. What we have to prove? So that BC is equal to DE. BC is equal to DE. This side BC is equal to DE. We have to prove BC is equal to DE. So BC is equal to DE. We want to draw the separate figure for both the triangle. Okay. Here it is ABC. Simply I have cut ABC from this figure. ABC, this figure we simply हम लोग क्या किए हैं, यहाँ से जस्ट इस फिगर को ट्रायंगल ABC को यहाँ से सिंपली उठा करके यहाँ पे पुट कर दिए हैं. उसी तरीके से ट्रायंगल ADE इस ट्रायंगल को उठा करके सिंपली यहाँ पे पुट कर दिए. ADE. Now in triangle ABC, this like this it is given in the figure, and this is equal to this, and angle BAD is equal to angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. This angle is equal to this angle, but here it is not given BAD. Here it is not given BAD, and it is also not given EAC. So if we want to equalize this angle BAC, we want to equalize the angle BAC and angle EAD. What we will do? We will add this common angle in both the angle. Then it becomes the equal. This is the common angle. This is the common angle. After adding this angle, the angle becomes BAC. Here it is given BAC. So now अब हम लोग इसको प्रूव करते हैं कि from triangle A, B, C and triangle ABC and triangle ADE. What is given? AB is equal to AD. It is given. AB is equal to AD and AC is equal to AE. AC is equal to A. Both are given. And angle BAD is equal to EAC. BAD is equal to angle EAC. It is also given. Now in angle BAD and EAC, I want to add this common angle. Here angle BAD plus angle DAC is equal to angle EAC plus angle DAC. This is the reason add angle DAC on both sides. Now angle BAD plus angle DAC is equal to what? Angle BAD plus angle DAC. We can write, after adding BAD plus angle DAC is equal to BAC, it is equal to BAC. BAC, it means BAC, this angle is equal to this angle. After adding EAC plus DAC is equal to this whole angle EAD is equal to angle EAD. So we can say that triangle तीन चीज क्या हो गया, हम लोगों को मिल गया, दो साइड और एक ट्रायंगल, टू साइड्स एंड वन इंक्लूडिंग एंगल. सो ट्रायंगल ABC congruent to triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADE by SAS congruency theorem. So if both the triangle are congruent, then we can say that BC is equal to DE by CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. BC is equal to DE by CPCT. It is proved.